my heart can't find its song, you whisper peace into the silence and remind me I belong. Even when the storm is near, your gentle voice is all I hear. You lift me higher through the fire. Your grace will never fade away. In every tear you draw me near, my soul will sing, I'm saved by grace. In the valley, you walk beside me. Every shadow fades in light. You turn my fear into believing that love is won the fight. I am held, I am whole. You breathe new life into my soul. Your mercy like a river flows. Forever I am yours. You lift me higher through the fire. Your grace will never fade away. Through every storm, you keep me strong. My heart belongs to you always. Ooh.